So guys, I bought this top from Surajnagar market and it was defected. That's why I made this video. I really want to hide the defect and use this top. I really checked well, but I didn't check every corner, and the defect was on right side. You will see how I sewed that down and just jazz up this top. This is actually a crop sweater, so this looks so pretty on me. I really like this type of prints and colors, so I really want to just show you how I can use this just with few DIY items. So I'm just going to use lace in this video. You can use patches, different patches, or pearls or anything to hide the defect, or have a bow over it or something which goes with the sweater or top. So let's cut this up. Where's my scissors, you guys? I cut my patches, like my lace, into patches. So I'm gonna cut all of these. I think these will be enough. I don't want to overdo, but let's see, because the top looks really big and gigantic, so I want it to look like it's made like this. Okay, so this is how this patch is gonna look over my sweater. So the first patch is over, obviously over the place where it's damaged. The next would be here and here and here and maybe here. Okay, I think this is fine. Here. Okay, so can you see this? Does it look like it's less? Should I go for more? Here would be okay. And I think there should be here one, and there should be one more here. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 would be here. Will it be okay, or should I bring this over here and this one here? Okay, wait, let me cut one more. How about here? Or maybe here? Maybe here. Okay, this looks nice. I think this would be okay. So the area which is damaged, so it really tight, so even if you hide it with something, it still should be secure. So I'm just sewing down my big hole here, so I want it to be fixed first before I do anything. So now it looks pretty secure. Okay, so now I'm just going to lock it here. Okay, I locked it. Now I'm gonna simply cut this off, the extra thread. Okay, it's done. Now I'm going to sew down my patch over this. Okay, this is the patch. I'm gonna have it in the middle. So guys, this is the finished look. This is how the top looks like now. I hope you can see it. So this is the look. So this is the finished product. This looks really cute. I am just loving this amazing top. So I mean sweater, so this looks a little different. So you guys, this is how this outfit looks like. I'm loving this top and skirt together. It's very girly, very cute. So look at this sweater now. This sweater looks far better than how it was. So yeah, and I washed my hair, and if you want to see a little bit of like a haircut thing, you can just watch the video till the end because I have something at the end. So yeah, so this is how the outfit looks like. I'm just loving this skirt. My waist is a little like smaller, so that's why it's a little loose, but anyways, this is how the top and the skirt looks like. Okay, so let's move on to the next look really quick. Okay, so I'm just gonna change my skirt and show you how the different kind of skirts looks like with this top. So yeah, so this is like really small floral printed skirt. I love this skirt. Again, this skirt is from Surchnagar Market. So this is like really beautiful. The color matches really well with this top, so you can definitely mismatch your prints. So yeah, I have paired two different prints together and I think they look nice. Let me know in the comments down below, how do you like this combination? I like the white skirt better than this, but you know, if you want to change, if you want to look a little sexy plus girly, then go for this tight fitted skirt. So yeah, this is how it looks like. And I think I should try to wear like a denim skirt with this top as well. So I've got so many denim skirts. Let me pick one. And also like what do you say, denims like jeans, they also look really nice with this type of sweater. So I'm gonna try this denim. It's because it's dark and this is like really light, so I just want to see the combination. And there's one more jeans I want to try. This is the light wash denim. It's like high-rise pants. I want to see how pants are gonna look with this top. So yeah, these are some outfits I want to try. Okay, let's continue. So this is the look. It's really cute. You can have like a white handbag or any handbag you like. So let's switch to denim now. There's one more skirt I want to show you, so make sure you watch till the end. So this is jeans with this top, and I think the jeans looks really nice. It looks very classy, very wearable. I'm just loving jeans with this top. I mean, if you want to go out with your friends, just a chill day, go for this look. For footwear, wear some nice white footwear to match with your handbag. So yeah, it's like really nice classy outfit. I am in love. So I just wanted to do this styling video with this top really bad. So finally I'm here. I made this top yesterday and I've been thinking about making this video since last night, but finally now it's 11 p.m. now I'm making this video. Anyways guys, let's move on to the next look. So this is another way of wearing this top or sweater. So I'm just wearing with this midi very stylish skirt. So someone commented. So yeah, this is how the skirt looks like. I love such fashionable skirts, you guys. And again, everything is from Surchnagar Market. So yeah, here is the outfit. I'm not sure if you are audible. I forgot to attach my mic, so I don't know if I'm not audible, I'll do a voiceover. So yeah, this is how the outfits. I'm pretty lazy to change my footwear, you guys, and it's really cold here. I just don't want to go here and there and dying cold. So I'm just gonna quickly end the video and edit and post. So yeah, okay, so this is how the outfit looks like. Now let's move on to the last outfit. So this is like denim skirt. I love denim short skirts. They go with everything. I mean, no matter what kind of a top you're wearing, it will just go with this type of skirts. Honestly, just get these type of skirts, as many as you can. So yeah, this is how it looks like. You can also wear this in winters by having like really thick tights underneath and have long boots, and you're just good to go. Yeah, I don't know if you like fashion videos or not. If you don't like them, let me know in the comments down below. I'll just be not posting it every now and then, you know what I mean? So yeah, I didn't know what to do with this top, so I was like, why not do a styling video really quick? Because you know, I just showed you how to sew these flowers, but I didn't show you everything, just one flower. So yeah, this is how it looks like. I'm loving this outfit really much. It's very simple, sophisticated at the same time, stylish. So yeah, you can make it even stylish with really nice footwear. Footwear is going to change again, you guys. Just make sure you wear right footwear. So I'm not showing in the video because I don't have a lot of footwear, but you know, if you invest in footwear, then definitely get a nice one, because I only have like, I mean, I do have a lot of footwear, but then I don't wear everything. I usually wear like my nude heels and like boots in winter. So yeah, anyways, that's about it, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe my channel, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, like this video if you want to see more, and I shall see you very soon in my next one. Bye.